5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. The petitioners are telecom operators oblique associations of telecom operators who offer telecommunication services full stop. This petition is filed challenging the validity of the Telecom Consumer Protection Ninth Amendment Regulations 2015 notified on 16/11/2014 by the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India for short TRAI in exercise of the powers conferred by Section 36 read with Section 11 of Telecom Regulatory Authority of India Act 1997 full stop by the said amendment dated 16/11/2014 which has come into force with effect from 1/1/2015. Every originating service provider providing cellular mobile telephone service is made liable to credit the calling consumer, that is a consumer who initiates a voice call, by 1 rupee for each call drop within its network for a maximum of 3 call drops per day full stop. Further, the service provider shall also provide the details of the amount credited to the calling consumer within 4 hours of the occurrence of call drop through SMS/USSD message full stop. In case of postpaid consumers, such details of amount credited in the account of calling consumer shall be provided in the next bill full stop. Before adverting to the various grounds upon which the impugned amendment is assailed, it may be mentioned that Telecom Regulatory Authority of India Act 1997 for short, the Act has been enacted to provide for the establishment of TRAI and Telecom Disputes Settlement and Appellate Tribunal to regulate the telecommunication services, adjudicate disputes and dispose of appeals, and to protect the interests of service providers and consumers of the telecom sector, to promote and ensure orderly growth of telecom sector, and for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto full stop. In terms of Section 3 of the Act, Telecom Regulatory Authority of India (TRAI) has been established and its powers and functions have been enumerated in Chapter 3 consisting Section 11 to Section 13 full stop stanza. Section 36 of the TRAI Act empowers TRAI to make regulations consistent with the Act and the rules made thereunder to carry out the purposes of the Act full stop. In exercise of the powers so conferred, TRAI has made regulations providing for various matters full stop. In the present case, we are concerned with 2 sets of such regulations, namely Standards of Quality of Service of Basic Telephone Service and Cellular Mobile Telephone Service Regulations 2009 and Telecom Consumers Protection Regulations 2012 full stop. By virtue of the impugned Telecom Consumer Protection Regulations 2015, TRAI has amended the Telecom Consumers Protection Regulations 2012 full stop.